To get started with calligraphy, you'll need a few supplies, including smooth, acid-free paper, a ruler, a calligraphy pen or brush, and some ink. The right kind of pen and ink for you depends on your personal preferences. For instance, some people prefer to use a traditional dip pen and pot ink, while others like the convenience of a fountain pen with a cartridge built in. Have some painter's tape or paperweights on hand to keep your paper from moving around while you work. Hold the pen diagonally at a 30 to 60 degree angle and point the nib slightly to the left as you write. Keep the nib aimed in the same direction all the time, since twisting it will affect the quality of the line. To prevent blotting and uneven lines, always move the nib backwards or sideways away from the direction it's pointing, instead of pushing it forward. Apply light pressure as you write so that you don't scratch the paper or damage the nib of the pen. As you're mastering your technique, you might find it helpful to work on paper with lines or a grid. Follow the guides on the paper to keep your lines straight and parallel and the letter sizes consistent. Start by printing out an alphabet in a calligraphic font that you like, then cover it with a sheet of tracing paper. Trace the alphabet many times until you start to feel comfortable with the strokes. If possible, find a practice sheet that breaks down the letters into their individual strokes so that you know how to do them in the right direction and order. As you get more confident, try writing the letters on your own without tracing them. For instance, you might practice writing the same letter over and over on a grid until you can easily write it with clean, even, consistent-looking strokes. Practice writing notes, journal entries, or anything you like in calligraphy until it starts to feel easy and natural.